Hi! In front of me is OPPO 8T, and today I would like to show you how you can use pop-up view on this device. You need to begin by opening one of your apps that you wish to use in this view. I will go with Chrome. Now access background apps. If you are using Tricky's navigation, you can do that by tapping on this button with 3 lines. From here, click on those 3 dots at the top right corner of your app and select Floating Window. As you can see now, when I click on my app, I can use it in this little window. If you wish to move it around, you can do that by holding this line and dragging it. You can also use it to overlay the other app by accessing the other one and operating in both. If you wish to make this app smaller, click on the Home button. Then access it again by tapping on Tiny Window. You can always make it full screen by tapping on the top left corner. In order to close it though, click on top right one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!